So this is the bull market support band. As you can see, after the Fed rate cuts, so Bitcoin has been pumping from 57,000 since 16 September. So it has crossed over like 65,000. So I'm waiting for this confirmation for this week close. If we close, the bull market support band is around 62,468. If we close above this level, and I think the next level, next target will be the 70k, 73k. So that will be the main target for the bull market support. So after that, a lot of altcoin will fly, just like a Veracity as well, which is a big contributor. So let's check the Veracity bull market support band as well. So this is a weekly chart. As you can see, Veracity is trying to break this downward trend line, and this is a bull market support band of Veracity. The price is around let me check, the maximum is 38.63, and the Veracity is trying to break. If Veracity close above 0.0040 level this week, we can see the big spike in the price movement next week, as also Bitcoin will support the price movement. And I definitely see that at least we can see that the break above this level will send the Veracity to 0.008 to 0.0097 level. It's directly like there's not a lot of resistance above it, only the 0.0051. But if we get close above the bull market support band, as usual, we can see that when we get close above this level 0.0557, the 0.046 level, so it directly pump how much percentage. You can see from this chart. See, bull market support band is pumped around like 141% before retracing 2.50 level, and this level as well. You can see when it's close above the bull market support band in a weekly, it pump around, see, 137% level. So while checking this bull market support band, if we able to close on this level, I can see that the next target will be around like 0.0094 to 95. So it still also depend on the Bitcoin chart, like how Bitcoin is performing. If Bitcoin perform good, also we have to check the Veracity BTC chart, that how Veracity is, like, is it like performing good against Bitcoin or not. Oh, so here you can see the Veracity for the Bitcoin chart is just hitting the bull market support band. If we can able to break this level, I think that we are moving higher. We are moving much more higher. So the target will be like this level, and this level target, if we able to break this level, I can see the Veracity to reach 0.01 to 0.02 in a no time, within a day or two.